Welcome to ThriveTube, where we help beginners explore the exciting world of online earning. In this video, we'll be covering the top 10 ways you can make money online as a beginner. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or embark on a new career path, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent way to start earning online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a vast array of opportunities for freelancers. Begin by creating a compelling profile highlighting your skills and expertise. Start with smaller projects to build your portfolio, and gradually work your way up to bigger gigs. 2. Content creation. If you're passionate about something, consider starting a YouTube channel or a blog. Create high-quality content that appeals to your target audience. Monetization options include ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency and quality are key to building a loyal audience. 3. Online surveys and market research. For those looking for easy ways to earn, online surveys and market research panels are great options. Sign up for reputable survey sites like Swagbucks and Vindale Research. Be prepared to invest some time, but the rewards can be worthwhile. 4. E-commerce. Selling products online can be lucrative. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to set up your online store. Find a niche that interests you, source or create products, and start marketing to your target audience. Learn about dropshipping, inventory management, and customer service along the way. 5. Stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, consider selling your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. High quality and unique images are in demand. Start by uploading a portfolio of your best work and watch your earnings grow over time. 6. Online teaching and tutoring. Share your expertise by becoming an online tutor or instructor. Websites like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses. Alternatively, you can offer one-on-one tutoring services on platforms like VipeKid or Chegg Tutors. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through your referral. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche and create compelling content that drives traffic and conversions. 8. Remote work. Many companies offer remote job opportunities. Platforms like Remote.co and FlexJobs list remote job openings across various industries. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your remote work skills, such as time management and communication. 9. Dropshipping. If you want to start an e-commerce business without the hassle of managing inventory, consider dropshipping. Partner with suppliers and market their products through your online store. Focus on customer service and marketing to drive sales. 10. Stock trading and investing. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies can be a profitable venture. Start by learning the basics of financial markets and risk management. Consider using online brokerage platforms like Robinhood or E-Trade to begin your investment journey. In conclusion, there are numerous ways for beginners to earn money online, catering to a wide range of interests and skill sets. Start by identifying your strengths and interests, then choose the path that aligns with your goals. Remember, success in the online world often requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. Keep exploring and refining your chosen method, and you'll be well on your way to earning a sustainable income online. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these online earning opportunities. Good luck on your online earning journey.